Hey guys, Above Ambition here, and in this quick video, I'm gonna go over 5 more lessons from Robert Kiyosaki on how to become rich. The first lesson is to pay your brokers well. When buying professional services, most people would try to find deals or discounts in order to save the most amount of money. Robert Kiyosaki takes a counterintuitive approach by instead choosing to pay professionals well. Brokers can be applied to a lot of things. This can mean your attorneys, your accountants, your real estate brokers, and your stockbrokers. Kiyosaki rationalizes this by saying, the more they make, the more money I make. There are a lot of benefits to this. First, you'll make back more than you paid for. Being paid well will incentivize them not only to do their jobs effectively, but also take the time to educate you in their respective field. And this is important. This is because we live in an information age, where information is the key to achieving success. You also save a lot of time and work because you don't have to do the work yourself. You don't have to waste time tracking the stock market if you have a stockbroker doing it for you. This allows you to free up your time to do whatever you want. Now compare these advantages to the amount of money you pay for and you'll find more pros and cons. One thing that Kiyosaki advises us is to choose your brokers wisely. Most are just simply salespeople who don't practice what they preach. For example, there are real estate brokers who sell houses but don't own any real estate. When interviewing your paid professional, ask them what property or stocks they own. What percentage do they pay in taxes? You want to find a broker who has your best interest at heart. These types of brokers will provide you the best results and educate you. This is going to require you to improve your management skills because you're going to be working with a lot of people who are more knowledgeable than you in a certain field. So learn to manage and reward people who are smarter than you, and you will become rich. This lesson emphasizes the power of good advice. The second lesson is to be an Indian giver. An Indian giver is an American expression that's used to describe a person who gives a gift and later wants the gift back. Kiyosaki stresses that being an Indian giver is extremely important to wealth. When investing in an asset such as stocks or real estate, an investor's first question is, how fast do I get my money back? This is what is called the ROI, or return on investment. You should not only limit yourself to ROI, but you should also be concerned about what you can get for free. For example, let's say Joe buys a small condominium for $70,000 at a popular vacation destination. Let's say he rents it out to tourists as an Airbnb for $100 a night. If he can make an average of $3,000 a month, Joe can pay off his small condo in roughly 2 years. And any rental after that is money just coming in as profit. Not only did Joe make back his money and have a steady stream of passive income, he's also got a free condo that he can use at his own leisure if he ever wanted to vacation at that tourist spot. Overall, when investing, look at ROI and also look at what you can get for free. This lesson emphasizes the power of getting something for nothing. The third lesson is to use assets to buy luxuries. A lot of people like to buy fancy cars without having the money to back it up, so they put themselves into debt buying the car. If we were to look at the balance sheet, most people buy modern luxuries in the liability column, which only produces expenses for them. What Kiyosaki advises here is to build enough assets so it can cover the cost of luxuries. Assets can include stocks, real estate, royalties, or anything that can really generate income for you. This takes a lot longer and will require focus and discipline on your end. For a better explanation on assets and liabilities, watch my Rich Dad Poor Dad summary video. I'll post a link in the description. Essentially, by using assets to pay for your luxuries, you're making money work for you, instead of having to work for money. Doing so makes you the master of money instead of being a slave to it. This lesson emphasizes the power of focus. The fourth lesson is to choose heroes. When we were kids, we would love to pretend we're someone else, whether it's our favorite celebrities or sports stars. Kiyosaki believes that copying or emulating heroes is true power learning. Because when you pretend you're a hero, you tap into a tremendous source of raw genius. This is because our brain cannot differentiate the difference between reality and imagination. Your mannerisms, the way you carry yourself, and even how you think will start to change. This gives you a newfound confidence. When Robert Kiyosaki invests in stocks, he imagines that he's Warren Buffett. This shifts his mindset, giving him more confidence that will help him make more money. My advice is to find a hero that's a leader in the field that you're trying to pursue. So whenever you're feeling any type of self-doubt, I want you to imagine yourself as your hero. It'll help make the challenge that you're facing right now look effortless. This lesson emphasizes the power of myth. The fifth lesson is to teach and you shall receive. Kiyosaki states that whenever you feel short or in need of something, give what you want first, and it'll come back in buckets. The last thing most people would want to do is give away their money if they hardly have any, but Kiyosaki encourages this because eventually it'll come back in multiples. And this applies in other areas too. If you teach others, you'll find that you'll learn more. But I want you to keep in mind that there will be times when you're gonna give and nothing will come back. This is why you need to give just for the joy of giving itself. This lesson applies to tangible things like money or intangibles such as love or friendship. This lesson emphasizes the power of giving. Well, that's all for this quick video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys.